So Mike, is it true that I need a lawyer for my real estate transaction?
Well, there's no legal obligation to hire an attorney when you're buying a piece of real estate, but it is very helpful. Examining title in our state requires special skills that usually only an attorney has.
So what would be the lawyer's function?
Well, the lawyer has three primary functions during the course of a real estate transaction. First thing, every contract has a 3 business day period where attorneys for buyers and sellers can take a look at the contract to make sure there isn't anything harmful for their client. A title exam is very important. You want to make sure and check every owner that has ever owned the property to make sure that there are no liens against the property that would then become the new owner's responsibility.
Wait, what do you mean by that?
Well, if the prior owner owed $20,000 to the Internal Revenue Service and this debt was never satisfied, or this lien was never satisfied, and if no one ever did a title exam, the new owner of the property would end up owing the IRS $20,000. Liens stay with the property even though the title transfers. Last item is the HUD-1 statement is something that's created by the attorney for the seller and is given to the buyer's attorney, and it outlines all the costs such as prorated taxes, closing costs, down payment, everything that's involved, cash that's going from the buyer to the seller on the agreed upon closing date.
Is there anything else I should know about hiring a lawyer?
Well, I think it's important to find someone who has a good, strong track record with real estate. You can rely on referrals from friends or referrals from your realtor. It's also important to talk about accessibility. Does the lawyer employ a paralegal? Will you be able to talk to someone when you call, or will you be waiting 2 or 3 days for a reply?